I did want to say before I get into demoing the box that I did get my rear view camera mirror installed. It's a Wolfbox G840S. It's a 12-inch IPS screen, touchscreen. Super freaking cool, man. I really recommend it. It does so many things. Marcus, the previous owner of this truck, had one. I don't think it was as nice as this, but this does all the same things his does. It's a little bit better quality cameras and records all the time, and if somebody bumps the vehicle, it'll start recording. And the picture is awesome on here. It'll go to the dual pane plane there for both cameras, or I'll probably just keep it in the reverse, but it's super cool that you can see everything behind you. This truck was terrible trying to back up, but if anyone has any questions, put a link in the comment and I'll try to get back to you. I will try to put a link in the description for this camera. I really recommend it. It's a little expensive. I think it's around 130 bucks, but you know, it'll save me from running over somebody's kid or a dog or something and running into something, so it's worth it. All right, talk to you later. Bye.